What is up sa inyo mga tol? Nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong video natin at nandito tayo ngayon sa Destiny Life Roleplay upang magtrabaho ng farmer. Sabi ayun daw yung best job dito. So kita nyo naman, ako nga pala yung mayor ng syudad na to, no? Kaya ko yung bigyan ng pera marami. Kukulain natin ng pera sa bangko. Wow. So magtatrabaho pala tayo ng farmer, no? So ito pipiliin natin guys. Itong Patriot. Okay. So, tara. Babalikan ko kayo pag nandun na tayo sa farmer. So, nandito na tayo sa farmer nila, no? Uy, sino to? Binabangga ako ng guys kaganina pa. Hindi ko na videoan eh. Nakagigil oh. So, ito pala yung farmer nila, no? Tara. Paano ba to? Dito muna natin i-park. May libreng may libreng motor din pala sila dito. Tignan nyo. Ayan. Di pa pala bumababa. So ayan. May libreng motor sila dyan. Pwede nyo gamitin. So ito. Press. Ay, join pala. Join. Ay, mali. Ching. Ay, mali. Go. No, napak 2. Pag pinauli kita sa polis, dyan nilagay yung taxi, Okay, pangalan niya, Dolphin. So, ito na pala, titignan natin kung magkano ang kita dito sa farmer nila, no? 4,600. Pwede na. Medium economy pala dito, no, guys? Grabe to. So, babalikan ko nga pala ulit kayo dahil ito nang i-interrupt. Pre-report ko to sa admin. Joke lang.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't.
So, dito nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood at titignan natin kung magkano ang kinita natin sa farmer. O yun, 126,083 pesos. So, napakalaki ng kita natin dito. Pang sasahod natin sa mga bodyguard natin. So, bye-bye and thank you guys.